making a stop, getting some gas, you know. But it's a family trip. I don't know if you can see hubby, but he's somewhere like right there. And Miss Ivy in the back. We're on our way out of town to pick up her new car seat, and I'm super excited. Yay! You hear Ivy excited in the back? Yeah! Dada, Dada pumping gas. And yeah, super excited. I've had my eye on this particular one for a while, and it was in stock somewhere nearby, so super excited to go pick that up. Picked this up not too long ago while shopping. We got the off-white bag to pair it. It has this little baby blue and red, so I thought that was cute together. But yeah.
Yeah. The girl get her car seat. Upgrade from the donor, you know? Watch your spies, that's right. Yeah, the real.
Ooh, Ivy, look at that!
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that, baby! Look at how comfy that looks! Ivy has officially moved on from her Nuna to her Nuna. You love it, baby? Look at how beautiful it is! Yeah, she loves it already. Look at it. Pure baby luxury right there.
Hey. Hey. Yeah.
You like the forward facing?
First time I travel forward facing, eh? You loving it? Hi.
I love it. Now I can look at you. It's a pretty girl.
Yeah. Love you.
Hello, everyone. How are you doing? It's a beautiful day, and Ivy and I say hi, Ivy. Say hi. We are going to Ulta to find a particular item, so come shopping with Ivy and I for the day. Got a few things I like to do and enjoy the weather, and maybe go to the park and spend some time outside in nature today because it is beautiful. Going into Ulta. Yeah, you ready to go shop? You ready to go shop, Marcus? I am too. Ready? What are you doing? I don't think that goes there, baby. That goes down here, honey. Hey. All right. Where is it? I think it's right here, baby. This one. Where are you going? You exploring? Yes, okay, so this is what we're here for. My husband wants to try this out, so we'll see how it works. I have never even heard of it, used it. I've heard of the brand. Actually, I've never used anything by them, but I heard it's great. Oh yeah. What you looking for? You need a blow dryer? Hmm? Oh. Need some hair cream? You look so cute. You like going shopping? She cannot wait to get out of the house today. Ah. You find a brush. You know what that is. Can you say brush? For your eyebrows. You could... Oh, you got your bag? You done shopping? Good job. We did it. Yay. Okay, so we just got the hair serum at Ulta, and now there's a World Market across the street, and I don't know, I like have this urge to go over there and look since it's like right there. So I think we are going to head over there and go check it out. All right, the World Market always has some cute things. So let's go check it out. Alrighty, so cute. Yeah, wanna go explore? Oh, these are cute. Oh, I definitely like this one. Shopping with a toddler. We got the baby contained in a cart, and I really like these. They're like these chemistry tubes, test tubes. This is just super cool. Pretty into that vibe. Oh, I didn't see this one last time. That's cute. Baby, this thing right here is cute. Look at that. She's the cutest. But this, oh my gosh, I feel like I need this in my bathroom. This is super cute, and there's only one left. I really like this. Super cute. And this one, I already know there's going to be so many things that I'll like. We have a mirror here. Let's do a quick outfit of the day. I got this long sleeve turtleneck on, black sparkly Kate Spade purse, and threw on this cute bohemian style kimono, and then just wearing some jeans and some sandals. There's Ivy's outfit. Ooh, I like these. This is so pretty. Not my great grandmother, my grandma actually makes stained glass, and she had taught me a long time ago when I was a child. It's so pretty. And the noise it makes, I might have to pick one up. This is definitely something I would get in my aesthetic. You agree, Ivy? You hear it? The wind chime, super cute. Sounds super relaxing as well. Ooh, this is where I got mine that I have in my bathroom. See here, in this color. I got them here at World Market. Okay, so now we're in like the jewelry and clothes section, which is literally one of my favorite sections. And look at how cute these jewelry hangers are. Oh, really like this one. That one's pretty neat. I think Ivy likes the scrunchie. And scrunchie. Scrunchie. Look at these. Super cute, huh? Got a scrunchie. Kind of looks like a shower curtain, huh? Mm-hmm. Don't pull that off, baby. You like that one? Mama likes it too, baby. It's pretty. Mm-hmm. Okay, this is adorable. Pull it out. For like bathroom storage, or even just somewhere in your house in general. It's really cute. I like this circular one too, and this corner one. That is cute. Kind of flimsy feeling though. I don't know if I like that too much, but this one's feels pretty heavy too, like that. Ivy has moved on and dropped that and wants something out of here now. Ooh, you know, I never thought of coming here for bathroom stuff. And it's literally totally the aesthetic that I'm into. Like, this is so cute. $7.99, that's not bad at all. Wow. Oh, Ivy likes it too, but in a different color. Super cute, guys. So if you're looking for like that bohemian, you know, neutral earth tone vibe, and even some cheetah print, come to World Market, because the stuff is really cute. Like this. Oh, geez. Even this one, I'm not huge into, like, I'm picky when it comes to patterns, but this one's pretty cute still. What do you like? Which one do you like, huh? All the cute Easter things. This is so cute. Little mini Easter basket. And some more jewelry. Ooh, those are cute. I like those. Always like earrings like this for sure. Oh goodness. These. Ivy likes this ring. You gonna put it back? Or you wanna hold it? You can hold it if you want. I am obsessed with couches like this. These just look so comfy, and this color is beautiful. Those prices, I don't know, maybe good investment. This thing is pretty thick. Guys, they go on sale on Black Friday, so I think you can just wait that out. Ooh, that is cute. Okay, we got to the fun things. All the snacks. Yep. Let's see. Marshmallow fluff. That sounds yummy. What is this? Mini Volen Vent. I have no idea what kind of accent that is, or know where those even came from. Maybe they say on top side on it on the box. Let's see. Product of Spain. Okay, you go Spain. Chocolate. What is that? Milk chocolate filled with marshmallows. Squeezable instant pancake mix. Okay. Some more chocolate. And some cookies with chocolate. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, right here. This right here is one of my favorite candies ever. Literally the best chocolate Kit Kat ever. You have to try it. The prices here are kind of but it is cheaper than I have seen at candy stores. But if you're ever in like a Chinatown, they're like $3-4. You gotta stack up on them. The orange ones, oh, that sounds so delicious. What is this one? I'm assuming this one's like a wheat cracker flavor. I have no idea, but I bet you it's bomb. But yeah, gotta try. This sounds like a must try too. That sounds delicious. Ivy's still holding on to her ring. These are so good too. I used to get these every year as a child for Christmas, and it was always just a, you know, fun surprise. Well, it wasn't really a surprise after I knew I was going to get them every year, but it was always something to look forward to because it was the only time I ever got them, and when I was a kid, I never knew where you would even get those, so it was pretty exciting for me. This is super cute. Look at that, Ivy. It's candy sushi. How adorable. Oh my goodness. Noodles. Too cute. Even a taco. Oh geez. How did I pass by that almost? Oh goodness. I wonder what this tastes like, low-key. Oh my goodness. Even a sandwich? I almost tried walking away again. A sandwich. It's low-key like too cute to even open and eat. Tea. One of my favorite things to drink. If you're ever looking for a good tea, these two are very good. Ivy dropped your ring. Here you go, baby. Yeah. Ooh, these are amazing. Tried them recently for the first time. I had these ones. They're so good. And Pocky, this, once again, fire. Anything matcha sounds fire. Ooh, chocolate banana. I've never even seen these. These sound so good. And matcha cookies. Oh, anything matcha is delicious. Some chips. Some noodles. And we turn. Real German sausage. Oh, it's a long sausage compared to these little mini weenies. Oh, yeah. I don't think I would be consuming this, but I mean, if that's what you're into and that's what you gotta do, you know, good for you. All right. Yay! Oh, these are delicious and so fun to open. You pop the little top and then plastic piece, and then you push the ball inside and it drops inside the soda. Super cute. They got Hello Kitty. Bubble teas. Bubba milk tea. Ooh. Honestly, low-key sounds good. I'd never had a bubble tea in brown sugar in a can. Taiwan Classic. I pick up one of these. Drinking buddies. You got Mitch, Josh, Ryan, Brad, Cody, and Chad. I know someone who needs one of them. Oh, baby. Oh, and Ivy and I are gonna try this matcha bubble milk tea. Oh.
Exactly what you're looking for. Visit growmarket.com to shop more colors, more sizes.
This is absolutely adorable. These kitchen set. That is too cute. Done. All right, there's someone walking by, so I'm just going to ensure I got all my safe things with me. Never know when you need to pull out a pepper spray on someone, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, gotta keep that bang on me. She's beautiful. And she runs in the field. So we had made it to the park. Park is over there, but it is closed. So now we are just running around in the baseball field. You running? Yeah, where are you going? Where are you going? Mama shocked you even awake. Oh, hers gets up. She gets back up. Hey, get back up. Good job. Yay. She gets back up and runs. So she runs. She find a stick? Did Ivy find a stick? Oh, and she don't even care about the stick. She looked back. She's like, not interested enough to grab it. And she made it to the baseball field, and it looks like Ivy's on second base. She gonna play baseball? Oh, this is what we got to. Yeah? Playing in the sand. She said tiny rocks. The tiny rock. All over my pretty dress, huh? Yeah. She's almost at third base. She ran all the way over here. Where are you going? Hey, baby. I think she found dried up fruit. Yeah. Can we drop that? Yeah. Can we drop them? Drop them. No, she doesn't want to let go of them. They're a par with her now. Oh, and she found the third one. She gonna pick that one up too. Okay. Are we taking these with us? Yeah. Are they your friends now? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. You got a souvenir. Okay, so she had fallen asleep in luxury and comfort and style. Yeah, baby girl. But let me tell you, I love this car seat. It is so easy for her to get in and out. And look at this little leg stand. She likes to keep her legs off of it, but look at how comfortable she looks. So we are outside enjoying the beautiful nature and nice weather. It's a little chilly, but I'm on my walk right now, and I decided to be outside instead of going to the gym. And I am just trying to do something that I love, and that's being outside and trying to enjoy nature as much as I can, because I know that that makes me happy. So why not do little things that will make you feel good, right? And something so simple as taking a walk. See, I can literally hear, like, I don't know if you guys can, but there's like this buzzing sound coming from that thing right there. Like, you can just hear the electricity, and I don't know, that gives me like weird vibes, okay? Pretty cool. So sometimes you need to just get outside and explore, and you'll find something new. And maybe I'll find something new today. I don't know. We'll see. The last time I was on my walk, there was this really cool raven. I've never been that close to a raven, so I thought that was pretty awesome. I got to take a cool picture. A community garden. Cute. This looks like meat. But I got one more lap to do, and this is my last one. Ooh, bee just flew by me. Probably smells my perfume. Said you smell sweet. Ah, he's following me. Oh, I think a bee following you means money. So I guess that's a good thing. All right. It is Ivy approved. You like it, Mama? Yeah. She's like, I gotta sit down for this. Mm-hmm. She likes it. She wants more. Mm. It's sweet you up, girl. There's only a few little bobas. I don't think. Okay. So there's the boba.
Yeah, mama. Yeah. Mama in our house, I watch Charlie show. Yeah.